Srikanth Tatvarti. You watching Srikanth Ideal Chemistry. So in this session, in this video, we are discussing about in miscellaneous or incomplete reaction given in previous mains papers. Okay. So this is the first incomplete or miscellaneous reaction. Okay. So in this reaction, the given compound is react with the hydrogen bromide, excess of hydrogen bromide. So we will see the how it will end. So this is the initial compound. When it is react with H plus ion. So actually hydrogen bromide. So it will present like H plus and Br minus. Hydrogen bromide can be present like H plus plus Br minus. So the H plus can initiate the reaction. So when H plus is react with a given compound, in that time, so at this oxygen we have the two lone pairs. So one of the lone pair can be donated to the hydrogen atom. Then we get the product like so this is we get the product after it is react with the bromide ion. After it is react with the bromide ion, in that time, so these sigma electrons are shifting towards the oxygen and these electrons are shared toward the this carbon. Then we get the product like okay, this is we get the product after this substance here extra hydrogen bromide can be used. So that's why the product what we get the product here, it is again react with another mole of hydrogen bromide. In that time the OH group and hydrogen can be passing away in the form of water. Then so we get the product like this. So this is the final students. That's all. This is next miscellaneous reaction. For this reaction, the given compound react with the dilute H2SO4. So actually, the H2SO4 can be present in the form of H plus plus HSO4 minus. So these H plus the proton can be initiate the reaction. First, we just take the given compound. So this is the given compound. So when this compound react with proton, in that time these sigma electrons are shifting towards the OH and this OH passing away with H plus ion in the form of water, and the positive charge can be shifting towards the carbon. So then we get the product. So we just get the primary carbocation. So here we have to get the tertiary carbocation. So here the hydrate ion can be shifted from from this carbon. Here at this carbon we have one hydrogen. So these hydrogen can be shifting towards to these hydrogen can be shifting towards to this carbon in the form of hydrate ion. Then we get a closed ring. So here hydrate ion shifting possible. H minus ion shifting. So then after shifting of these hydrogen in the form of hydrate ion to this carbon, we get the ring type of ring structure, closed structure, sorry, not ring structure, closed structure, that is like so, and we get the positive. So what happened in that time? So these sigma pi electrons shifting towards this carbon and these sigma electrons shifting towards the hydrogen. So these hydrogen and it is passing away in the form of hydrate ion. These hydrate ion reached to for this carbon. So then it made the form and the positive charge can be shifting towards to this carbon. Okay. So we get the final substance like this. After it is after removing of proton. So after here we need to remove the proton. So after sorry, after it is dilute H2SO4 means here water also present. So in the water we have to OH minus N. After it is react with OH minus, then we get the product like, so this is the final product. So dilute H2SO4 means here aqueous H2SO4 solution. So in the aqueous H2SO4 solution, the OH plus ion can be reacted here and OH minus ion can be reacted here. Then we get the final product like this. Okay students, this is the next miscellaneous reaction. For this reaction undergoes acid hydrolysis. So first we need to take the initial compound. So this is the initial compound. So this compound first react with the proton. So in that time at this oxygen we have the lone pair electrons. These lone pair electrons are donating toward the proton. Then we get the structure like, okay, so this is the where we get the compound after gaining of proton. After after here rearrangement, shifting of after here rearrangement can be possible. In that time these pi electrons shifting towards to here and the positive charge shifting toward to this carbon. Then we get the structure. So this structure can be stabilized by the resonance. This is next miscellaneous reaction. For this reaction, the given compound is cyclohexane. So it is first undergoes bromination. After it is react with the alcoholic potassium hydroxide solution. Later it is undergoes ozonolysis. After it is undergoes intermolecular condensation in presence of dilute NaOH. Okay, so we will see one by each step. So first we just take the given compound. So given compound is cyclohexane. So it is react undergoes bromination. We just get the substitution of bromine by the loss of hydrogen bromide. Okay, after it is react with alcoholic potassium hydroxide solution. In that time any one of the hydrogen can be moved from this lost from this position. So after losing of HBr, here one hydrogen from any one of these two carbon and bromine can be lost and a pi bond can be developed. So I just remove the hydrogen from this carbon. So we get the pi bond. After it is undergoes ozonation in presence of dimethyl sulfide. So in that time we get the product like this. After it is undergoes intermolecular aldol condensation. After it is undergoes intermolecular aldol condensation. So then here we have the two hydrogen atoms at alpha position. So in that time these two hydrogens and these oxygen can be passing away in the form of water molecule, resulting we get the product. Okay, so this is the final product. That's all. Okay students, this is next miscellaneous or incomplete reaction. So these compound first undergoes dissonation. After it is undergoes Sandmeyer reaction. After it is undergoes nitration. So the reaction can be done in 3 steps. So we will see. So this is the given compound. These compound react with and sodium nitrate and HCl mixer at 0 to 5 degrees. We call as dissonation. So after dissonation, we get the product. Disoning compound can be replaced by the imino group. After it is react with Cu2Br, cuprous bromide. So this is we call as Sandmeyer reaction. So in that time, the disoning group can be replaced with bromine. So this is the next product. So after it is react with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 nitration mixer. Then so here we have 2 possibilities, here also. So I just take the here. So the NO2 group can be substituted here. Okay. So this is the final product. Okay, students, this is next miscellaneous incomplete reaction. For this reaction, one chlorobenzene and another one is acid anhydride is given. So these two compounds are reacting together in presence of anhydrous LCl3 on strong heating. After it is undergoes hydrolysis, we just need to get the product. So first we just take the initial compounds what they given. Okay. Okay, when these two compounds are reacting together in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, actually at this carbon we have two lone pair of electrons, and I just take the one hydrogen at this carbon. So in that time these lone pair electrons are oxygen has two lone pair electrons. One of the lone pair electron can be donated toward the hydrogen. In that time these sigma electrons are shifting towards the carbon. So then we get the product like so this is we get the product. After here some rearrangement can be possible. So just see what happened here rearrangement. So these sigma electrons are shifting towards to these oxygen as a lone pair electrons, and these positive charge can be shifting towards to these carbon. So then we get the product. C double bond O, positive charge, C double bond O, OH, and just take this compound as reversely. So okay, after after these two the lone electrons at this carbon can be donated towards this carbon and make the bond. So then we get the products like so this is what we get at last. That's all. Okay students, this is next miscellaneous reaction. So in this reaction the given compound undergoes reduction in presence of sodium tetraborate. See how can it possible. Okay, this is what they given. So when this compound react with the sodium NaBH4, here the keto group is there. The keto group undergoes reduction, and it is converted into the secondary alcohol. So then we get product like this. After on strong heating, here the bromine and hydrogen can be passing away in the form of hydrogen bromide. Then we get final product. So this is the final product. That's all. Okay students, this is next incomplete or miscellaneous reaction. For this reaction the given compound react with the concentrated excess of concentrated hydrogen bromide. Actually here hydrogen bromide can be present in the form of H plus and Br minus. So these proton can be initiate the reaction. So first we need to take the given compound. So when this compound react with the proton has the two chances to react with the oxygen or react with to initiate this compound or this compound. But when compared to the both things, here hyperconjugation can be involved, here conjugation is there, so it is more powerful. So the proton can be attacking on this carbon. In that time, the pi electron shifting towards this carbon, and this carbon can make the bond with the proton. Then we get the product like so. This is the product. After it is react with the bromide ion, then we get this. Now the given reaction with the X of hydrogen bromide. So this compound again react with the proton. In that time, for the at this oxygen we have the two lone pair electrons. So one lone pair electron can be donated towards the proton. Then we get the product. This is after it is react with bromide ion. So in that situation, so these sigma electrons are shifting toward the oxygen, and the bromine can make the bond with the carbon. So then we get the products. So these are the final products. That's all. Okay students, this is next incomplete reaction or miscellaneous reaction. So for this reaction, the given compound undergoes chlorination in presence of sunlight first. After it is undergoes hydrolysis. So just take the given compound. So for this given compound, first undergoes chlorination in presence of sunlight. In that time, here we have 3 hydrogen atoms. So 1 mole of chlorine can be involved. So in that time, the 3 hydrogen atoms, 2 hydrogen atoms can be passing away with chlorines in the form of 2 HCl. Then we get the product like this. After it is undergoes hydrolysis. In that time, the 2 chlorine atoms passing away with 2 hydrogen atoms in the form of 2 HCl. After we get the product like this. On strong heating, here we just lost the water molecule from these two OH groups. Then we get the product like parachlorobenzaldehyde. So this is the final product. Okay friends, this is next miscellaneous reaction. So this reaction can react with methyl iodide in presence of strong base. So we just see how it is reacted together. Okay, so this is given compound. So these given compound react with the base. In that time, the OH minus ion can react with these hydrogen and passing away in the form of water. So then we get the product. So in that time, these sigma electrons are shifting towards nitrogen as a lone pair electrons. So then finally we get the product like so this is what we get the product after loss of proton or after loss of water molecule when it is react with base. After it is react with methyl iodide, methyl iodide. So in that time, these lone pair electrons are shifting towards to methyl group, and these sigma electrons are shifting toward the iodine. Then we get the product like so. This is the final product what we got. That's all. Okay, students. This is next miscellaneous or incomplete reaction. So this reaction, the given compound react with potassium butanoate, and after it is react with concentrated H2SO4. So we take the reaction one by one. We just take the reagents one by one. So first I need to take the initial compound what is given. So this is the given compound. So this compound is react with tertiary potassium butanoate. So it is present like in the form of okay. So the tertium butoxide can be react with this compound. So in that time, so when it is react with this compound, so at this carbon, at this carbon, we have one hydrogen atom. So when it is react with this compound, so the chlorine is passing with the tertiary butoxide. So it is shifting here. We just lost the chlorine atom. So these sigma electrons are shifting toward the chlorine, and these sigma electrons are shifting towards to here as a double bond. Then we get the product. So here we just lost the HCl minus HCl. Here hydrogen and here chlorine. So then we get the product after reaction with the tertiary butoxide. So this is the product. Again it is react with the proton. After it is react with the proton, in that time these pi electrons are shifting towards the carbon, and it is made the bond with H plus ion, and positive charge can be shifting towards to these carbon. So then we get the product like so this is we get the primary carbocation. After on strong heating, so when I observed that at this carbon we have one hydrogen atom, so these hydrogen atom can be shifting towards to this carbon. So then we get a linkage between benzene ring. With benzene ring, we get a linkage with benzene ring. So this is what we get the product here. So this is what we get the product here. So sorry for better understanding, I just written with the red pen. So this is what we get the final product. That's all. Okay students, this is next miscellaneous or incomplete reaction. So in this reaction the given compound first react with the chloroform in presence of strong alkali. After it is undergoes reduction in presence of palladium on carbon. So we will see, we will do the reaction with one by one. So first I need to take the initial compound. So this is the given compound. So these compound react with chloroform in presence of strong base. So here this reaction is called as carbolamine reaction. In that time the amino group can be changed into the isocyanate group. So then we get the product like So this is what we get the product after it is undergoes reduction in presence of palladium on carbon. In that time, the cyanide group and keto group and cyano group both all are undergoes reduction. Then we get the product. So the isocyanate group can be converted into the secondary amine, and keto group can be converted into the secondary alcohol, and cyano group can be converted into the primary amine. So this is what we get the final product. That's all. Okay, student. This is next miscellaneous reaction. For this given reaction undergoes reduction with in presence of LiH or lithium aluminum tetrahydrate. In that time, the ester group can be converted into the alcoholic group. So then we get the product like. So when it is react with lithium aluminum hydrate, so in that time here bond will be broken. This side one hydrogen, for this side one hydrogen can be attached. At the same time here pi bond will be broken. So for oxygen side one hydrogen, for carbon side one hydrogen can be attached. So then we get the final product. So this is the one product, and methanol is the another product. Friends, this is next miscellaneous reaction and last miscellaneous reaction in this video. So when you see that the given reaction consists of an aldehyde group and one keto group, and it is react with sodium hydroxide on heating. So here intermolecular aldol condensation can be possible. So first we need to take the given compound. Okay, this is given compound. So when this compound react with the sodium hydroxide, in that time this is one alpha carbon and this is also one alpha carbon, but we need to use the hydrogen alpha hydrogens from this carbon. So when it is react with sodium hydroxide, in that time one of these hydrogen can be shifting towards to this oxygen, and these carbon can be connected to this carbon. Then we get the product like. So this is what we get after react with the sodium hydroxide. After it is undergoes condensation, in that time at this carbon we have one hydrogen. So these hydrogen OH can be passing away in the form of water molecule. So these hydrogen OH can be passing away in the form of water molecule, and a pi bond can be developed here. So we get the final product like. So this is the final product. That's all. Okay students, if you like my concept, please subscribe to my channel. Please and like, share my videos to your social sites like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Thank you.